Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. So today we'll be talking about the OnePlus 8T that I'm very excited to share with you guys. Naturally, you can see that the phone has already been unboxed and it's sitting right here. Yeah, but I'm going to walk you through the entire unboxing process. So the phone came in this huge box, like really huge media kit, and inside the box there was a couple more boxes, which one of them was the OnePlus 8T itself. It also came with two different casings from OnePlus, which looks super cool. Alright, so I've unboxed it and put it on my desk. So because it was so big, I had to unbox the big box on the floor and bring the other smaller box to the table. So upon unboxing the OnePlus 8T itself, you can see here that we do get quite a lot of stuff in the box. It comes with this basic couple of leaflets, some stickers. Those of you who like stickers will definitely be happy to see the stickers here. Apart from that, it also came with the 65-watt charger. I think that's the main highlight, I would say, for this unboxing right here. I really love a fast charging. I can't survive on slow charging. So it comes with this 65-watt charger as well as a pretty thick Type-C to Type-C cable right here. So definitely very happy to see this in the box, considering some manufacturers are dropping the charger from the box. Alright, so you know who I'm talking about, but today we want to focus mainly on the OnePlus 8T. So after removing the plastics and all that, we can see this OnePlus 8T here in its full glory. This is the aquamarine green color. I hope I pronounced that correctly, but yeah, to be honest, it looks really good in person. When I saw the pictures online, or I saw other YouTubers posting about this device, I just wasn't feeling the color of this device. I wanted the silver version so badly because it also came with a matte back. But for this, we do get this glossy back here. I've been touching it for a bit, but it doesn't seem to attract much fingerprints, so maybe there's some kind of a glossing over it. But this is the device itself, guys. So it looks very good. So in this video, I'm just going to talk very briefly about this device. It's not a full review. The full review will have to come in a week from now because I'll be using the device. But right here, right off the bat, let's take a look at the quad camera setup right here. It doesn't really stick out too much on the device, and I think that is really appreciated because when I put the device on the table, it doesn't really wobble too much. Apart from that, we do have these very nice aluminum sides. It feels like a premium device, guys. This is definitely premium stuff. We also still get the slider right here from OnePlus, of course your lock button, and on the other side we do have this very clean sides with the volume rocker at here. Moving on to the bottom, this is where we have our Type-C port and a speaker at the bottom here. We also have a speaker at the top to make it stereo speakers. But what's kind of missing right here is the headphone jack. So those of you guys who actually use the headphone jack, unfortunately, it's not here on the OnePlus 8T. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the design. Let's talk about the specs here, guys. So I've kind of set up my device earlier on, and let me just boost the brightness a little bit more. Okay, so we do have this in-display fingerprint scanner that I've set up, and it's pretty fast. So it's very reliable, and I haven't had any issues with getting this activated. Once more for you guys to take a look. And the good news about this is that, like, in these days, we're all wearing this mask, right? So the fingerprint scanner here is definitely much appreciated because we can just unlock using our fingers. Alright, so at the front here, we have this really huge display, 120Hz AMOLED panel that is really smooth. So of course you are definitely aware of how smooth these high refresh rate displays are, but the one on the OnePlus 8T is really good, guys. This is a proper AMOLED panel. Looks pretty good, very nice. Colors look great as well. Moving the device from side to side, we don't have a lot of drop in, those kind of color or color shifting. None of that here. And overall, I'm just very happy with this display that we're getting. Alright, so now let's talk a bit about what's powering this device. We do have a Snapdragon 865. You must be aware of that by now. And it also comes with 12GB of RAM, guys. So that's a lot of RAM in this little guy right here. It also comes with 256GB of internal memory. So definitely for all of you guys who want to store your photos or all that, 256 I would say is the benchmark to get. Apart from that, we do get these cameras at the back like I mentioned earlier on. This is a quad camera setup. So what we have here is a 48 megapixel main sensor, a 16 megapixel ultra wide, a 5 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth. Yeah, I think I got my statistics correct. So I'm definitely going to be testing out the quality of these images. Maybe I'll slot in one sample or two just to show you guys what this camera is about. But yeah, so that's for the camera department. In terms of battery, we do get 4500 milliamp hours of battery with this fast charging right here, and it's supposed to charge the device from 0 to 100 in slightly less than 40 minutes. So very impressive stuff right there. I love fast charging and I can't go back to those slow charging anymore. So very appreciated that OnePlus actually gave us this super fast charging. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much it for this unboxing video. Once again, like I said, this is just a quick overview of how the device feels and looks. I'll be sharing more information in the full review after testing it for a couple more days. Till then, let me know what you want to know and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!